everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the all-new Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, a powerful device that's making waves in the tech world. And just a heads up, in the global market, this phone is launching as the Xiaomi Poco F7. We'll dive into the box contents, take a closer look at the sleek design, and explore the standout features like the massive 7,550 mAh battery, 90-watt fast charging, and the powerful Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor. Plus, we'll see how it performs in real-world use and compare it to other flagship devices. So if you're curious about this powerhouse and want to know if it's worth your money, make sure to stick around. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's get started. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro comes in a standard cost-effective package, including a 90-watt Type-A charger, 20-volt 0.5 amps, and a standard data cable. The design features a noticeable upgrade with a more rounded R angle and curved screen edges that seamlessly blend with the ultra-narrow bezels, giving the device a sleeker, more modern look. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro features a striking 6.83-inch flat display with uniform bezels, creating a bold visual impact. Its design resembles the iPhone 16 Plus, though the Turbo 4 Pro is slightly taller and heavier, weighing 222 grams. It's a relatively large and wide device, so if you have smaller hands, it's worth checking out in person at a Xiaomi store. Even those with larger hands will appreciate the refined craftsmanship when holding it. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro features a straight-edged metal frame with rounded chamfers, ensuring a comfortable grip. The white matte glass back is sleek and minimalist, adorned only with the Redmi logo and an all-metal mirror camera module, showcasing a refined, elegant design. Impressively, it meets IP66, IP68, and IP69 waterproof standards, maintaining Redmi's rugged Little King Kong tradition while offering a stylish appearance. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro's 1.5K display impresses with flagship-level M9 light-emitting material, offering lower power consumption, better brightness, and extended lifespan. It delivers a peak brightness of 3,200 nits with a measured full-screen manual max of 663 nits and HDR max of 1,091 nits. In sunshine mode, brightness reaches 899 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in strong outdoor sunlight. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro's display excels in color accuracy, with a measured average deviation of just 0.34 in primary color mode. It supports DC dimming with a high-frequency 3,840 Hz PWM dimming scheme, minimizing flicker. The default color temperature is set at 7,300 K, but for a true tone-like experience, the Rhythm Eye Care adaptive color adjustment can be enabled in eye protection mode. While effective, this setting could be more prominent for better accessibility. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro features a dual rear camera setup, including a 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 main camera with 2x optical zoom and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It adopts the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's camera UI, offering a more intuitive interface and upgraded motion photos with an extended recording time of 3 seconds, making it easier to capture memorable moments. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro packs a large 7,550 mAh Xiaomi GSR battery, supporting 90-watt wired fast charging. It charges from 1% to 62% in 30 minutes and reaches full charge in 55 minutes. In a 3-hour endurance test, it used just 37% of the battery, leaving 63% remaining, enough for more than a full day of use, with charging needed roughly every 2 days. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, offers performance comparable to last year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 while delivering impressive battery life. Its 7,550 mAh battery supports reverse charging, effectively doubling as a power bank. In tests, it charged an iPhone 16 Plus by 4% in just 10 minutes. It can also charge devices like mirrorless cameras or laptops, automatically activating high-power fast charging with a maximum output of 22.5 watts, making it highly practical for on-the-go use. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro starts at 1,199 SEK for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage model, roughly £209 in the UK and $277 in the US. And that's a wrap on our unboxing and review of the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, also known globally as the Xiaomi Poco F7. This phone definitely stands out with its powerful Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, massive 7,550 mAh battery, and blazing 90-watt fast charging. not to mention the sleek design and impressive display. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. Would you pick this over other flagship phones? Don't miss out on my latest review of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7, Sony's newest flagship smartphone. I've just uploaded the video, so make sure to check it out for an in-depth look at its standout features and performance.